Transform your ideas into stunning websites and presentations effortlessly with GAMMA.APP. Let's dive straight into building your first masterpiece on the GAMMA.APP homepage. Locate and click on the prominent Create button. Now, the magic begins. GAMMA.APP asks for your input. Simply type in a clear, concise description of your website or presentation topic, for instance, a portfolio website for a freelance graphic designer or an engaging presentation about sustainable energy solutions. Watch as GAMMA.APP springs into action, generating a complete draft based on your prompt. You'll see a structure emerge, complete with suggested text and visually appealing layouts. Each piece of content is organized into what Gamma calls cards. You can easily rearrange these cards by clicking and dragging them to your desired position. To refine your content, simply hover over any card and click the 3-dot menu to reveal editing options. Choose Edit to directly modify the text or even add your own. Feel free to personalize the content, adding your unique voice and specific details to make it truly yours. GAMMA.APP also provides incredible design flexibility. Click on any design element that catches your eye, and a sidebar will appear with customization options, allowing you to change colors, fonts, backgrounds, and more. Explore the various design options to match your brand or desired aesthetic. You can even upload your own images to further personalize your creation. Need to add more information? Click the plus button to add new cards. Gamma offers a variety of card types, including text, image, video, and even embeddable content. Let's add an image card. Click the image option and then simply upload your desired image from your computer. Once you're happy with your creation, click the preview button to see how it looks. Then head to the share options to publish your website or download your presentation. And there you have it, a professionally designed website or presentation brought to life by GAMMA.APP in just a few simple steps.